Hello friends, namaste and welcome back to my channel all of you. Today let's discuss about how to write the good research proposal friends. It's quite easy when you study research methods in the class, but when you are really engaging yourself in writing phase proposal, it could be quite challenging friends. So I thought why not to discuss the some tips that would at least add value to your learning process friends. First is that you all know that at first we need to understand our research area. Sometimes we may be confused about in which area I should do the research. Here supervisor might assist you, but remember friends, as a research scholar, you have to understand your research area, your core competency, your that must match your interest area. I mean to say that. So research title is very important. I mean to say that based on your research overall area, then you could decide about your this is my tentative research title. Title of the study that needs to be specific, which could capture the whole scope of your study. Now next, this is the first title you need to understand. The next one is that your introduction part, because you have to at least convince what is your introduction of your research proposal, which provide the context to your problem statement, for which I would always say to the students that you have to review the good research paper and discuss the things from the develop emerging to, like for example in our Nepali context too. Then once you clearly mention your provide your background of your study, then next is that your problem statements. Problem statement is very important. Reason is that for what reason you are doing this research. If you could not find the problems, I mean to say that the issues in which you would mention the clearly with the proper citations, that is the research issues. Here you could mention your research question as well. Now once you mention the problem statement friends, then next one is that your objectives of the study. Objective, rationale of the study, we say that. Objectives, while mentioning the objective of the study, remember this objective must be in the line of your research issues, research questions. Then here research objective could be main and a specific objective. Then after that you could mention your rationale of your study. You can say that importance of your study, how this research would add value to your target group. This way you could at least justify your literature. I mean to say that rationale of your study. The next part is that your literature. Literature, no doubt, is very important. It provides the foundation to your research. Like constructing building, we need a structure. If you don't have the good foundation of your research, then whole process would be affected, friends. So under literature review, simply what you need to understand that you discuss the both conceptual and empirical literature with proper citation and the alignments. There must be the like your storytelling, but in the line of your research problems. Remember, just discuss the things which are material to your research problems. But while writing literature, friends, you have to understand the 5C, I would say. First one is that cite the literatures which are really important for your research. Don't forget to include that. Now next one is that compare means that look at the published research paper, their methodological part, their arguments, their overall data sample and the findings, and look at their research, what the research findings authors discuss. Then third one is that contrast is all about you would discuss about the in a area of your research what the other scholars did. Is there any debate? You also discuss the disagreement about your research also. Now fourth one is that your critic the literature review. You have to provide the, because when you review the literature, then we have to analyze the literature critically, I mean to say that. Okay. Then lastly, in literature review section, that is very important, that is connections. As I discussed earlier, is the alignment. All literature review, how to what extent that would be connect with your research problems, research issues. That is very important. You are not going to write the just paper. Quality writing is important, for which academic writing you have to take the reference. Then once you organize your overall literature, now the next important term is that is your research methods. Research methods, as I discussed in literature also, that will provide you the in empirical paper, that will you'd be clear about the research methods, your proposed methods. In research methodology, mainly you'd be discussing about like your research design. Yeah, you can say that population and sample. What would be your study period? You have to justify everything. Now, what could be your methods of analysis? Is it just you are using correlation analysis, yeah, regression analysis, yeah, structure equation modeling, yeah, time series analysis, whatever the methods you are using, that you need to take the help of even the literature. As per need, you could cite it also. Then even as per, we would also discuss the limitation of your study in the proposal. Then lastly, what we do, these are the things that you would incorporate in your proposal, friends. Then again, we need the like your references, even in the annex, if that is your literature, your study is based on like your primary data, then you have to include the your, I mean to say that your structure questionnaire also. Then if you need the budget, then you have to show the budget also in the proposal. If that is the, you are asking for the funding like your from university grant commissions, then you are expecting some funding, yeah, sources of finance for your research, then in that case funding is also required, friends. Okay, friends, whatever we discussed today, I believe that that will at least clarify your framework about your overall research that you are proposing to do. Okay, friends, I would always suggest to review the good paper that would enrich your at least clear about your roadmap of your research, because research proposal is itself is a roadmap that provide a direction to your doing research, friends. Okay, friends, these are the things that I would like to share today. If you like this content, please like, subscribe, and also share this channel. Thank you all of you for watching this video. Please take care.